Next class, Episode 1. A young woman in a green and pink jacket walks around the career fair set up at the university fieldhouse.
My name is Elly. I'm 23 years old. I've been at MUN for 6 years and I'm graduating in April with a degree in chemistry and a major in chemistry and a minor in oceanography. My family lives in Labrador City, so I have ties within the province, but I actually grew up in Toronto, Ontario. When I started at MUN, I was pretty intimidated by the whole academics of it. I was a little fish in a big pond, and now kind of so many years later I get to look back and kind of say, okay, these are the things that I've accomplished, these are the things that I've worked towards, these are the challenges that I've had, and sitting on top of it, almost being done my degree, I think that my experience was incredible, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.
A tall man in a button salmon shirt walks around in the same career fair.
So my name is Ryan Peach and I'm 20 years old and I'm from Conception Bay South, Newfoundland. Actually in Foxtrot is where I'm from, so that's important. And I'm actually in my third year of naval architecture and I'm studying at the Marine Institute. So today we're at the MUN and Kona career fair, and today I believe there is, hold on there now, yeah, like 107 different groups that are here. For me today, I'm going around mainly to Irving Shipbuilding and like a few of the different oil and gas companies. This year, what you will expect to see of me is probably a lot of stress combined with my schoolwork and deciding what's best for me, whether that's moving away for a job, trying to find a job here, or continuing my education, how I plan to do that. And all the while, keeping up with my volunteer activities and social life and things like that. So I think this year and this next class is definitely great because this is a time that a lot of students really stress about, is getting a job and taking that next step in their life that isn't really talked about. So I think this will be great, and I feel like you'll definitely capture a lot of the things with me.
A woman in a pink blazer is shown at the University Centre's food court.
So hi, I'm Aisham. I am from India and I'm 27 years old and I'm doing my Master of Business Administration here at Memorial University. Searching for a job. Yeah, it's kind of overwhelming, like so many companies are there, a lot of job opportunities are there. So it kind of scares me, like where should I look for a job and stuff like that.
A woman walks down a MUN hallway.
My name is Mira. I'm from Helsinki, Finland, and I'm 23 years old, and I'm studying political science and communication studies here at Memorial. This is, in fact, my last year at Memorial. You will probably see me stressing out a lot, trying to write my thesis, applying to graduate school. You'll most likely see me attend a lot of events and guest lectures that I usually go to here at Memorial, and spending time with my friends that I look forward to doing while I still can, because we're still in the same place here. I'm nervous about the uncertainty. I don't know where I'll be next year. It's hard to make plans for a future when you don't know where you're going to live in September or where you'll be studying, if you'll be studying. So certainly the uncertainty is a bit hard, but it's the last time in my life I'll probably get to enjoy being in an uncertain position. So I'm going to try to enjoy it while being stressed out about it.
A young man in a gray cardigan is shown at the music building.
Well, my name is Michael O'Keefe. I'm 22 years old. I'm from St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. And I'm in my final year of the Bachelor of Music program here at Memorial University, and I'm doing a double major in trumpet performance and musicology. It's been a busy year. I thought maybe that my final year would be a little less busy because I would have less courses to take, but the prospect of applying to graduate school is certainly a time-consuming one, and it's required a lot of attention over the last couple of months, so things are starting to settle out now, but it's been a busy start for sure. I'm most excited to complete the process of finishing my degree and watching all my friends do the same, and I'm really excited just to see where everyone ends up and where everyone's life takes them next, basically, yeah. I'm most afraid of not finding the right program for me for next year and then having to adjust and reconsider my options.
A woman in athletic wear is shown.
I'm Catherine Ducey. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Mount Pearl and I'm studying underwater vehicles at the Marine Institute. Right now we're in the MUN Physical Education building and I'm about to go into practice for the MUN volleyball team. It's been pretty busy so far, as most other school years have been, but it's more of like a bittersweet start as I know this is my last year. So it's more of a, this is the end kind of thinking to everything I'm doing. It's exciting, but also nerve-wracking at the same time because I kind of have to figure out what to do from here. Right now, I'm thinking about research and development in the ocean technology sector. So I'm not sure if I need to try and find a job, and if that's not available, then I have to try and see if further education would probably get me to where I want to go.
Video cuts to black and credits begin to roll.